Hello my friend, let's color a cute bird picture while telling a story. The story this time is about the origin of the snail house. Once upon a time, snails did not take their home anywhere. The first time the snail lived in a bird's nest that had been left by the mother bird in the tree. The nights are warm and the days are cool because the leaves of the trees block the sunlight that falls right onto the nest where the snails live. But when the rainy season comes, the leaves can no longer block the falling rain. Snails get wet and cold from the rain. Then the snails move into the hole in the tree trunk. If it's a hot day, the snails are well protected. Even if it rains, the snails won't get wet and cold. "Looks like I found a suitable home for me," muttered the snail to himself. But one sunny day, a woodpecker came. Tock, dot tock, tock, the woodpecker kept pecking at the tree trunk where the snail lived. The snail became disturbed and couldn't sleep. With an irritated heart, the snails climbed down from the hole in the tree trunk and looked for the next place to live. The snail found a hole in the ground. "It looks warm when night comes," thought the snail. The snails cleaned the hole and decided to live in it. But when night came, the rats came digging from all directions to destroy the cochlea. What can I say? The snail left the hole to find a new home. Snails keep walking until the beach is full of rocks. "Between the rocks can be my home," the snails cheered. "I could take shelter from the hot sun and rain. No woodpeckers would peck at this rock, and rats would not be able to dig holes into this rock." Snails can also rest in peace, but when the sea water rises and rises to the top of the rock, the snails are swept away along with the waves. Once again the snail had to go find a new home. When walking off the beach, the snail found an empty shell, beautiful shape and very light. Tired and cold, the snail entered the shell. Snails feel warm and comfortable and sleep curled up in it. When morning came, the snail realized it had found the best home for him. This shell really suits her. I no longer need to rush home if it rains. I won't be too hot anymore. Nothing will bother me. I will take this house with me wherever I go.